It might seem crazy what I'm about to say.
How clean is the quality of air in your home?
What we basically do, people don't realise that air, and this is very high to the ceiling, but the air goes in over the top there, draws across the coils, because these obviously go cold for cooling, and then it comes out the bottom there, and just draws that dust and
that's pretty
mould in it. It's quite incredible, eh? It's literally, it's just years, I guess. Do you know how many years that's been up there?
Yeah, well, that was in the house. That's an original. Both of them.
6 years or so?
So
6, 7 years.
we've been here.
There you go. Huge difference. Now it's all cleaned. Coil cleaned. Huge difference, look at that. Look at that same unit.